Michelle Martens will stand trial first in the murder of her 10-year-old daughter, Victoria.
Martens, her boyfriend Fabian Gonzalez, and his cousin Jessica Kelly are all accused of raping and murdering the little girl last year in her Northwest Albuquerque apartment. Today in court, the judge decided Martens will be tried first on July 9th, 2018. Gonzalez will be second in October of next year. Then Kelly will go on trial in January 2019.
That trial order led to some debate in court today. Jessica Kelly thinks she's getting a raw deal by going last. News 13's Lizzie Mitri is in the Newsplex with more.
Dean, the judge reminded the defense attorneys that once they moved to have the three tried separately, that gave prosecutors the right to decide on the order of those trials.
Your Honor, the state intends to try Michelle Martens first.
That decision from prosecutors isn't sitting well with Jessica Kelly's lawyers.
If Ms. Kelly were to go first, that insider information about those two statements wouldn't be publicly known.
While Kelly refused to speak to police after Victoria's death in August of last year, Michelle Martens eventually confessed to letting Gonzalez and Kelly sexually assault and murder her 10-year-old daughter, while Gonzalez told APD Kelly was the killer. Prosecutors will also be able to use the facts that come out in the first two trials against Kelly.
It would be extremely prejudicial and something easily avoidable if Ms. Kelly went first.
Martens' high-profile defense attorney, Gary Mitchell, knows exactly why they want to try his client first.
The real reason that the state wants to try Michelle first is that if you can obtain convictions of Michelle first, it makes it easier on the rest.
The DA's office did not delve into strategy, merely pointing out logistics.
We're anticipating that Ms. Martens' case will be the most complicated and the most lengthy.
Judge Charles Brown agreed with the state and kept the trial order the same. The question was then raised about moving the Gonzalez and Kelly trials out of Bernalillo County.
With all the news coverage in this state, I'm not sure there's any place that everybody swaps film.
Michelle Martens' attorney was asked after the hearing if there was a chance of a plea deal in the case. He said no, that the state won't offer a reasonable agreement and that they won't accept an unreasonable one. Dean, back to you.
All right, Lizzie, thank you. Next week marks a year since Victoria's death. Her family says she had just celebrated her 10th birthday at school.